Hi and welcome to Bobby Reviews. Bobby here. In today's video, I'm going to be covering email marketing. I'm just going to do a very brief checklist for building your email list. Why would you want to build an email list? Because this is one of the biggest assets you can have in your internet marketing business. Should anything change on any platform you may be using, such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, any platform at all, you can always revert back to your email list. It's your backup, it's your asset, and you have direct access to your subscribers. So it's always a good idea to be building your email list as you're going along, because you don't want to put all of the power and all of the trust in somebody else's hand to decide when and how you can communicate with your potential buyers and potential subscribers. So this is just a very it's a quick email, a quick video on how to go about starting to build your email list. So if you already know what niche you're going to be in, you've already decided or you've already started, that's good. If not, make sure to choose a niche that you have some interest in and which also has good demand. You know, it's somewhere where people buy and where people spend money. People are passionate about that particular topic. So be sure to pick something that has some interest to you and also people buy in that market. As always, one of the top 3 niches are making money online, working from home. The other one is relationships, and the third one is health. These are the most popular niches, but there are many niches out there you can pick from. The next thing you would need to do is to decide on your lead magnet. You're going to have a lead magnet, your free giveaway, which you're going to use as your ethical bribe to get people to opt in and give you their email details, their name and email details. So you're going to decide on what you're going to give your potential subscribers. So this can be a training video, an ebook, a cheat sheet, checklist, guide, or a template. Checklists and cheat sheets, guides and templates are the most favorable because they're very easy to digest, very easy to apply, and they don't take up too much time because everybody's so busy these days. So you really want something that somebody can read quickly and apply. Make sure it's focused. Don't make it too broad, so that it's specific and effective, and is something that your subscriber can actually put to action and benefit from. And the benefit of this is that if your subscriber gets something they can quickly read through and apply it and benefit from it, that will make you very favorable in their eyes. You've given them something they can digest quickly and apply and actually reap some benefit from. So that will just go a very good way towards building that relationship, which we will have to build with our subscribers. The next thing we'll be doing is to create the opt-in page. So you can do this with, if you have a website, you can do this on your website, or you can use a landing page builder. So the problem with, if you're a beginner, the problem with the website thing, it can be quite off-putting. I particularly had this issue when you first start off, then having this sort of added weights of going to set up your website. It's a lot to take on as a new beginner. So if you don't already have a website, you don't want to go down that route just yet. A website is always good down the line. But if you want to just get to it straight away, a much easier way is using one of these landing page creators, such as ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, and there's many options out there. See in my descriptions, there's many other options you can pick from. So be sure to keep the landing page very simple. Don't ask for too much information because that can put people off. So just ask for first name and email address. Some people only just ask for email address, but you can try getting a first name because that always makes when you're writing to your list more personal. So just go for first name and email address at the most. Then you'll be creating your thank you page. So this is the page they will land on after opting in and giving you their details. And on that thank you page, you thank your subs for signing up and you direct them to their email inbox to now be able to access their freebie, what they opted in for, right? The next step, you'll be building your email sequence in your autoresponder. So even though it's down here at the bottom, I would advise you get this ahead of time. And a lot of these autoresponder providers, such as Aweber, GetResponse, they all give like a 30-day, 14-day trial period. So I would say that even before you start creating your lead magnet, you go into your autoresponder and just, familiarize yourself with how everything is set out, how things flow, how things function, so that when you now come to creating your opt-in, your thank you page, everything, you already know how to set up the flow. So when you get your autoresponder, you'll be creating your email sequence. So the first email you'll be sending out to your subs will be a welcome or delivery page. And this will, first of all, deliver their lead magnets and welcome your subs. So that will be the beginning of your email sequence. And this is your chance to introduce yourself, deliver what it is that they opted in for, let them know what they'll be getting from you, the kind of information you'll be providing for them, let them know how often they can expect to hear from you, and just, general gist of the information you'll be providing for them. In the follow-up emails, you can also provide additional free resources, downloads, content. If you have a blog, content from your blog. You can link to some videos if you have any videos, coupons, anything at all that will add value. So basically, they're opted in for one thing, and you're providing them with even more. So always strive to over deliver. Always strive to give plenty of value to your subs, so that obviously they can see that it's worthwhile being signed up to you. So after that, you will now start sending traffic to your opt-in page and obviously getting email addresses. So ahead of time, you need to plan, make your freebie for your email list. You can buy PDFs online from PLR distributors. I'll put some names in the descriptions where you can buy if you don't know what to put as your freebie. You can buy PDFs, and you can always sort of condense it down, because checklists and cheat sheets, like I said, they're very easy to consume. So these days, everybody's been giving away ebooks, so it's kind of being worn out a little bit. So checklists are very easy to digest, like I said, and they're very popular methods of getting signups. So if you're looking for ideas, you can always buy PLRs, and then you can just condense it down yourself to a checklist or cheat sheets. Again, you'll be setting up your sequence ahead of time, so that once you have your lead magnet set up, you write out all your emails and everything is ready to go. Everything will be set up in your autoresponder. So you must have your autoresponder in advance. You need to know how to, set up your email sequences, write up your follow-up emails, things like that. I use Aweber, so I'll be doing follow-up videos on how to set up campaigns and follow-up emails, things like that. And be sure to mix up the contents. You can do written content, videos, stories, tips and advice, podcasts, link to other people's good quality content, all as a way of providing value. Always have that in mind, providing value to your subs. The more you give to your subs, the more later on they'll be happy to purchase recommendations and products from you. And in follow-up videos, I'll be going through each of these steps more thoroughly. So we'll be looking into picking your niche, creating your lead magnets, creating your opt-in pages, your thank you pages, how you set up your follow-up messages, things like that, your welcome delivery page, all of those things. We'll be going into more details in each of these areas. So look out for those videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. And I hope it has helped you to just sort of put it together in your mind, the things you need to go through to start building your email list, because sometimes it can be a little bit confusing and overwhelming knowing where to start. So just having this as a brief checklist for you, hopefully that will help you to be clear in your mind what you need to do to start building your email base. So thank you very much for being with me in this video, and I hope you learned something. I hope you got value from it. Please do give me a like if you like this video. Do subscribe and hit the notification button. I upload a new video every week, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks very much for your time. Bye bye.